Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will see a very important SQL concept as well as in Power BI, how to implement. Okay. So here you can see this is our employees table, employee ID, employee name, salary, joining date, department, gender, and manager ID is there. So I need to check the salary. I need to check the employees whose salary is better than the average salary of his department. Okay. So to get that, what I'll do, select employee name, department, salary, then average salary, and I need to do I need to get a window function, then over partition by, okay, department, okay, as average DPT, average salary from employees, okay. Then I need to wrap this with a city, okay. So from here I'll get department wise average salary, right? Then I need to check the employees whose salary is better than this. So I need to do select star from city where salary is greater than the average salary. Okay. So here you can see there are 12 rows are there whose salary is better than their department's average salary. Here you can see. Okay. Now we have to do the same thing in Power BI in DAX. So how to do? Let's see. So here I have imported the same table. Here you can see. So what I'll do, I'll write a DAX, and this is easy one. Okay. So I'll write like employees salary more than average salary. Okay. So first I need a variable that equals to, I have to write calculate, then average of salary. Okay. Then for the partition by, what we use? For the partition by, we use all except average of salary, then all except departments. Okay. Okay. All except departments. Now for the next one, I need to grab this one. Okay. Another variable I need to check. So from here I got a department wise average salary. In the variable B, I put the uh, condition. Okay. So I can write if, so I cannot write like, if I put like salary, it will not come. Okay. So for that thing, what I'll do, I'll use values. Okay. Values of salary. If values of salary is greater than this one, greater than A, then give me a flag value 1, or else give me 0. Okay. Now return B. Okay. Now this measure will give me a flag value. So what I'll do, I'll take a table. So in that table, I'll need employee name, salary, And so just 1 second, I'll give you a better font size. Okay, so these are the employees and salary. Okay, 30 employees are there, and this flag value I'll put in my filter. Okay, then I'll use is 1 and apply filter. So here you can see I got only those employees, and I'll put the um, department also. So here I got only those employees whose salary is better than their department salary. Okay, so if I use um, okay, so here you can see Bob Smith, Frank, and Grace in finance department, and in SQL also here you can see Bob Smith, Frank, and Grace. Okay, in finance their salary is better than average salary of their department. Okay, in Power BI also here you can see same. So this one was easy one. Okay, so like this we can calculate. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.